Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open up a Oanda demo account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to head on over to oandana.com, and then you're going to come to the official web page that will look similar to this. Now from here it will say on the front page, a broker you can trust. Below that says create account or demo account. So obviously we're going to click on that demo account button. Now say create your demo trading account in minutes. So select your country region, it should automatically choose that, your account details, your personal details, and also your mobile phone number, and then click confirm and continue. Alright, so I've filled this form out and then click continue. Then once you've done that, you're going to come to a page that will say, thank you for your demo application. Thank you for signing up for your Oanda account. Your application has been approved, and you can now log into your account and get started. So that's exactly what we want to go ahead and do. So start trading with any of the following options. So we got Oanda, TradingView, MT4. So for this, I'm just going to go ahead and open up the Oanda web platform. And then you're going to see a chart here and some options. So yeah, that's how to open up a demo account.